He walked over to his nightstand. He took his gun out of his nightstand and he pointed it to my head and he said, "Get out, or I'm going to make this look like a beautiful accident. You're in my house." And I just felt like defeated, devastated, just crushed.
One example of the countless forms of abuse is what Chanel Bowman is sharing with our office. She's now a survivor who is living to tell how dark her days were at the hands of her abuser.
The next morning, all the apologies came flooding in. And I remember saying to him, "You put a gun to my head last night. There's no way I can take you back now."
But Chanel did take him back, not just once, but countless times.
And I kind of felt like I was stuck in this state of like panic and anxiety like all the time, where I'm just like this stress of like, I don't know how the day is going to turn out, because it's always based on how his mood was that day.
Chanel is like so many victims who leave and come back. According to domestic violence experts, a victim will leave her abuser 7 to 12 times before leaving for the last time as part of the cycle of violence. Melissa Serto is a prosecutor with our office who works in the Family Violence Bureau.
And you'll see them telling the victim to do various things while they're in custody to get them out, to recant their statement, to contact law enforcement, to contact the court, to tell the prosecutor. Sometimes they tell them to write an affidavit and submit it, recanting their statement.
Prosecutor Serto also says it's that final time when the victim leaves for good and the abuser has lost all control that the propensity for violence is at its highest point.
Hey, it is in the garage.
Weeks after Chanel left her abuser, Eric Jones set her home on fire in the middle of the night. Her son was inside. He was supposed to be asleep, but luckily wasn't.
Had he been asleep, that house would have just been down to the ground, and he wouldn't be here today.
The trauma from that night leaving lifetime scars for not only Chanel, but her son as well.
He slept with a huge knife underneath his pillow every night. And when he'd get up and go to school, I'd hear him in the bathroom just sick, hovering over the toilet and just sick to his stomach because of all the anxiety that was just stirring up inside him.
Since the fire to her home, Chanel has rebuilt her life. She has remarried and relocated herself out of state. She wanted to take this opportunity to give hope to other women who may right now be in the same shoes she was just in a few years ago.
My intuition constantly screamed at me to leave lots of times, yet I didn't listen, or I'd always take him back. And I wish I would have listened to it. So I would definitely advise to listen to that gut instinct, even though you're kind of fighting against it because your heart is like saying, no, I don't want to, but your gut is screaming, yes, it's best for you. It's best for your family. Just get out of this situation. It's so important to trust that.